Hello my dear students, Neeraj again with my next video of exercise 11.2 question number 2. So what is given in the question? Construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm from a point on the concentric circle of radius 6 cm and measure its length. Also verify the measurement by actual calculation, and in the main statement what is given, give also the justification of the construction. So what we want to construct, we want to construct two circles, concentric circles. What is the meaning of concentric circle? First, meaning of concentric circle is the circles which are having the same center but different radius. One is of 6 cm and the other is of 4 cm. So I am going to construct my question number 2. So follow my steps. First of all, what is given according to the question, we have to construct two circles with the concentric circles of radius 6 cm and 4 cm. So firstly, what I am going to do, I am going to open my compass equals to 6 cm. For doing this, you can do one more thing. You can, if it is difficult for you to open the compass, you can mark 2 points on your notebook like this and put your compass here on the first point and open up to second point. Okay, now this is the compass of 6 cm. I'm going to put it on my notebook. Firstly, I am going to remove these 2 points. Now I am going to put my compass here on the notebook and I am going to draw a circle. So this is my circle with the radius 6 cm, and here is the point O. I want to mark it. Yes, this point O. And the other circle of radius 4 cm. Same with the same center. I am going to open my compass equal to 4 cm. Make sure that your compass must be very tight, because if your compass is not tight, there will be no any accurate measurement of the tangents according to the question. So this is my compass of 4 cm. I want to draw the concentric circle. So I am going to put my compass on O again, and I am going to draw another circle with the radius 4 cm with the same center O. So this is my another circle. So you can see here, this the bigger circle is of 6 cm and the smaller circle is of 4 cm, and these are the two concentric circles. So what they are going to what they are saying in the statement, construct a tangent to a circle of radius 4 cm. We have to draw a tangent to the circle 4 cm, or you can say on the smaller circle we want to draw the tangent, and I want to calculate the length, also measure its length. So for doing this, as you know that the tangent is always perpendicular to the radius. So firstly I am going to draw the radius here, just like this. As you all know, the tangent is, in the last chapter we have done this thing, the tangent is perpendicular to the radius always. So at this point, at the point of contact, I am going to draw a perpendicular by putting my compass here. I am going to draw an angle of 90 degree. I am going to open my compass with a suitable radius and draw an arc like this. From the initial point, cut this arc, and from this point, this point, put the compass on this point. I am going to adjust my compass. Yes, firstly on this point, cut this arc, and again on this point, cut one more arc, and from this arc, must be like this. Yes, So for drawing 90-degree angle, what I'm going to do, I'm going to draw it from here. It must be like one arc, and then cut the previous arc like this, and just like that. From this point, again from this point, cut the previous arc. It must be like that. Now draw a line which join these point and intersect this arc. Yes. Now you can see, yes, now this is the perpendicular to O, and I'm going to give the name as P, this as S, this as T. Join OP, and the angle, firstly draw an angle OPT is equals to 90 degree, you can say, and this line ST is the required tangent which meets the larger circle at S. This is the larger circle at S and the point T. Okay, now measure the length of SPT. It is, you can check, this is 9 centimeter exactly. The length of SPT is 9 centimeter. Length of, you can write it as ST or SPT, is equals to 9 centimeter. Now I have to verify my answer, that my answer is correct or not. For verification or for the justification, you can say, firstly join OS. How can I justify my answer? Look at this. I'm going to join these 2 points O and S, because this is the right triangle and I know the length of OP, that is 4 centimeter. I know the other radius also, that is 6 centimeter. I can calculate this SP. SP must be, if this is 9 centimeter, the total length must be 9, then half will be 4.5 or something approximately. So now I'm going to apply the Pythagoras theorem here. In right triangle OPS, so what is the value? It will be OS square equals to OP square plus SP square. It will be OS square is 6 square, OP square is 4 square, and SP we want to calculate. This will be 36, take 16 on the other side, minus 16 equals to SP square, and SP equals to under root of 20, and you can say it as 20, or you can 4 into 5 or 2 root 5 centimeter, because the length we are measuring in centimeter, so it is 2 root 5. So approximately value of root 5 is 2.26. so ST, you can check. We have done one more theorem in the 9th class, that if the chord, this is the chord of the bigger circle, and if we are drawing the perpendicular from the center to the chord, it always bisect the chord, means SP and PT must be equal. So we can say ST equals to 2 times PS, or SP you can say 2 into 2 root 5, and the value of 2 into 2 root 5, 2 root 5 is approximately 2.25 or 2.26 centimeter approximately. So I'm getting my answer as 9.04 centimeter. So you can check, approximately it is equals to 9 centimeter. So this is the justification of my answer. So this is the construction of question number 2, and along with the justification. So wait for my next video for the further question. Thank you very much.